Picture this: you open your fridge. There's a cup of yogurt inside. It looks normal, it smells normal, but then you see the date on the lid. Expired yesterday. And just like that, your mind starts racing. Is it risky? Is it still okay to eat? Or is that date just a rough guideline? Every single year, billions of dollars worth of perfectly edible food gets thrown in the trash because of one small printed date. But here's the twist. Most expiration dates are not what you think they are. Today, we're breaking down what those dates actually mean, where they came from, and why they secretly shape what we eat, even when the food is perfectly fine. Let's rewind to the beginning. For most of human history, food didn't have dates at all. People relied on their senses and their experience. If milk smelled sour, you didn't drink it. Simple expiration dates only became a big thing in the 20th century. Food started traveling farther, sitting on shelves longer, and being sold to millions of people who didn't know the farmer or the baker. Manufacturers needed a system to protect customers, shield themselves from legal trouble, and guarantee consistent quality. So, dates were added. But here's the key. They were originally meant as quality indicators, not as hard and fast danger warnings. That difference is huge, and we'll come back to it. This is where all the confusion starts. There isn't just one kind of date. Best before is about quality, not safety. After this date, the food might slowly lose some of its flavor, its texture, or its freshness. But if it's been stored correctly, it's usually still safe to eat. Then there's use by. This one is different. It's all about safety, especially for highly perishable foods like fresh meat, fish, or some dairy products. After this date, the risk of harmful bacteria growing increases significantly. And finally, you have sell-by dates. These are mainly for the stores, not for you. They tell retailers how long to keep a product on the shelf. It has very little to do with the moment the food actually becomes unsafe. So, when someone says, "This food is expired," they're often mixing up three very different concepts into one. Now, here's something that surprises a lot of people. In most countries, the manufacturers themselves choose these dates. They test their food under specific conditions, like temperature, packaging, and storage time. Then they pick a date that guarantees the product still meets their high standards of quality, not necessarily the last possible day it's safe to eat. To reduce their legal risk, companies tend to be very conservative. That means the dates are often set much earlier than necessary. So, food frequently lasts way longer than the label suggests. This is especially true for things like canned goods, dry foods, and frozen items. That's why an unopened can of soup can remain safe for years beyond its printed date. So, should you just ignore expiration dates completely? Not quite. Dates matter most for the high-risk stuff: fresh meat, seafood, and unpasteurized dairy. You want to be careful with those, but for foods like rice, pasta, chocolate, honey, and most canned goods, time usually affects quality, not safety. Your senses are still your best tool. Smell, texture, and appearance are often far more reliable than a printed number. The date is a guideline, not a switch that suddenly flips food from perfectly good to toxic overnight. A little bit of mold, throw it out, a strange smell. Don't risk it. But if it looks, smells, and feels fine, it probably is. So, the next time you find yourself pausing before throwing something away, remember this: expiration dates were designed to guide quality and manage risk, not to replace our own common sense. Understanding what those dates actually mean can help you save money, cut down on food waste, and make smarter decisions in your kitchen. If this surprised you, give the video a like and share it with someone who religiously throws food away just in case. And don't forget to subscribe for more hidden stories behind everyday things. Because sometimes, the most ordinary labels hide the most misunderstood truths. Thanks for watching.